Hi, in front of me is DOOGEE V MAX, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this device. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, tap on Sound section, scroll down just a bit and click on Vibrate Vocals. Then apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you finished, go back. Tap on this switcher next to answer vibration, and this way enable or disable haptic feedback when call is connected. Last but not least, click on those two switchers next to charging sound and vibration, and touch vibrations to switch them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!